If you're receiving Social Security, there's important news about a permanent benefit increase that could change your monthly payment. Understanding your new amount helps you plan your finances with confidence. Stay tuned to learn exactly what this means for you, and don't forget to like this video for clear updates. If you're counting on Social Security benefits, you'll want to hear this important update. The Social Security Administration has just announced a permanent increase to benefits, affecting millions of retirees and seniors across the country. This isn't a temporary boost or a one-time payment. It's a lasting change that will impact your monthly income moving forward. Understanding exactly what your new benefit amount will be is crucial, especially as many households rely on these funds for everyday expenses like groceries, utilities, and healthcare. The SSA adjusts benefits each year to keep up with the rising cost of living, and this year's adjustment is designed to help your income maintain its purchasing power amid inflation. Knowing how this increase works, who qualifies, and how it will show up in your payments can give you peace of mind and help you plan your budget more effectively. This update comes from verified information directly from the Social Security Administration, so you can trust that what you're hearing is accurate and reliable. Throughout this video, we'll walk through what the permanent increase means for you, break down how the SSA calculates your new amount, and explain when you can expect to see these changes reflected in your payments. Whether you're newly retired or have been receiving benefits for years, staying informed about these updates helps you take control of your financial future. We're diving deep into an important update that affects millions of Americans like you. The Social Security Administration has just permanently raised your Social Security benefits. That's right. This increase isn't a one-time boost or a temporary adjustment. It's a lasting change designed to help your monthly income keep pace with the rising costs you face every day. Now, I know how important Social Security is for so many people. Whether you rely on it to cover essentials like groceries and medications, or you're carefully budgeting for bills and other expenses, any change to your benefits matters. So let's break down exactly what this new permanent raise means for you, how it was calculated, and when you can expect to see the updated amount in your bank account. First, a quick refresher. The Social Security Administration adjusts benefits each year based on something called the Cost of Living Adjustment, or COLA. The purpose of COLA is straightforward. It helps protect your purchasing power when prices for goods and services go up. The SSA uses data from the Consumer Price Index to decide how much to increase benefits annually so your payments can keep up with inflation. This year, that adjustment is especially meaningful because inflation has been higher than in recent years, affecting everything from gas prices to groceries. The good news is this year's COLA isn't just a small tweak. It represents one of the largest increases in over a decade. For many seniors, this means a noticeable jump in monthly income, helping ease the strain on budgets stretched thin by rising living costs. For example, if you were receiving $1,500 a month before, this increase might add around $150 or more to your payment every month going forward. That's money you can count on regularly, not just once. But how does the SSA actually determine your new amount? Well, it's based on your current benefit and the official COLA percentage for the year. The SSA multiplies your existing monthly benefit by this percentage to calculate your new payment. So, if the COLA is 8.7%, as it was recently announced, your benefits increase by that same rate. This calculation applies to retirees, disabled beneficiaries, and those receiving survivor's benefits. And for supplemental security income, or SSI recipients, there's a similar adjustment reflecting changes in the federal benefit rate. It's important to note that the increase is permanent. That means your new benefit amount will stay at this higher level until the next COLA is announced. This gives you a reliable baseline to budget from, helping you plan ahead with confidence. Knowing this can make a big difference in your peace of mind. Now, you might be wondering when exactly you'll see this increase in your payments. The SSA typically applies COLA increases starting with benefits paid in January, so your January payment will reflect your new amount, and that's when you'll notice the boost hitting your bank account or arriving by mail if you receive paper checks. The timing is consistent every year, which helps beneficiaries know when to expect changes without surprises. While this increase brings welcome relief, it's also worth understanding what it doesn't mean. For example, the COLA is not a bonus or a special payment. It's an adjustment built into the Social Security system to maintain fairness and economic stability for recipients. Additionally, the increase doesn't affect the way your benefits are taxed or impact eligibility rules. It simply raises the amount you receive monthly. Let me share a practical example. Imagine Jane, a retiree living on a fixed income who receives $1,800 a month in Social Security benefits. With this new COLA of 8.7%, Jane's monthly payment will increase by approximately $157. That means starting January, Jane will receive about $157 every month. That extra money can go a long way toward covering rising costs like prescription medications or utility bills. It's not just about numbers, it's about helping real people manage their lives better. For those receiving Supplemental Security Income, or SSI, the story is similar but slightly different in application. The federal benefit rate for SSI recipients has also been raised in line with inflation. This adjustment ensures that the lowest income seniors and disabled individuals maintain purchasing power. The SSA manages SSI separately from retirement and disability benefits, but the goal is the same: to protect financial security for vulnerable populations. If you're unsure what your new benefit amount will be, or you want to confirm it quickly, the best place to check is your My Social Security account on the SSA's official website. Setting up and regularly accessing this account is free and secure, giving you instant access to your benefit statements, payment history, and personalized updates. It's a simple tool that puts you in control of your benefits information. If you haven't signed up yet, I highly recommend it. Another key point to keep in mind is how this increase fits into your overall financial picture. If you receive other retirement income, pensions, or savings distributions, the COLA helps balance the rising costs across your total budget. While Social Security often forms the foundation of many retirees' finances, it's wise to view this adjustment as one part of your broader financial plan. Staying informed and proactive about your benefits will help you make the most of every dollar. Now, while we're on the subject of staying informed, don't forget that the Social Security Administration communicates important updates regularly. Make sure your contact information is current with the SSA to receive official notices without delay. Avoid relying on unofficial sources or social media for critical information about your benefits. Always check directly with SSA to avoid misinformation or scams. Speaking of scams, this is a good moment to remind everyone to be cautious. Unfortunately, when news of increases or refunds spreads, scammers often try to exploit seniors with fraudulent calls or messages. Remember, the SSA will never ask you for personal information like your full Social Security number, bank account details, or payments over the phone or email. If you get suspicious calls, hang up and report them to the SSA's Office of the Inspector General. Back to the benefit increase. Some viewers may wonder if this means they can apply for more money or take extra steps to get an even larger raise. The truth is, the COLA is automatic, based on national economic data, and applied to all eligible recipients uniformly. There's no additional application or request needed from your side. Your benefits will simply adjust according to the official announcement. That's one less thing to worry about. Also, it's helpful to clarify that this adjustment does not impact Medicare premiums directly. While Medicare premiums may change annually, those changes are managed separately by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. Your Social Security benefit increase helps offset higher healthcare costs, but it doesn't mean premiums go up or down in lockstep. As we talk about this increase, I want to remind you that keeping track of your benefits and planning ahead makes a big difference. Whether it's budgeting for holiday expenses, paying off debt, or saving for emergencies, knowing your exact Social Security amount is foundational. You deserve to feel confident and secure about your finances, and understanding this increase is part of that. If this video has helped you better understand your Social Security benefits and the recent raise, please take a moment to like it. It really helps other retirees find trustworthy, clear information amid all the noise. And if you have questions or want to share your experience with Social Security increases, leave a comment below. I love hearing from you, and your stories can help others too. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest Social Security news, including upcoming changes, tips, and insights that matter to you. Being informed is the best way to protect your benefits and peace of mind. Before we wrap up, I want to share one final thought. Social Security remains one of the most reliable income sources for millions of Americans, especially seniors and those with disabilities. The permanent increase we've discussed today reflects the system's commitment to fairness and keeping pace with economic realities. While nothing is perfect, these adjustments are designed to help you maintain your independence and quality of life. Now let's take a moment to address a question I often hear. How does this permanent increase affect taxes on your Social Security benefits? It's a good question because understanding taxes can sometimes feel overwhelming. But knowing the basics will help you avoid surprises come tax season. Social Security benefits may be taxable depending on your total income from all sources. The increase in your benefits due to the COLA could slightly raise your taxable income, but this doesn't necessarily mean you'll owe more taxes. The IRS uses a formula to determine whether your benefits are taxable and how much tax you might owe. For many retirees, their Social Security benefits remain tax-free or only partially taxable. The tax thresholds depend on your combined income, which includes your adjusted gross income, non-taxable interest, and half of your Social Security benefits. If your combined income stays below certain limits, you won't owe federal income tax on your Social Security. But if it crosses those thresholds, a portion of your benefits could be subject to tax. What does this mean for you practically? If you expect your income to increase because of this benefit raise, it might be a good idea to review your tax withholding or estimated taxes to avoid owing money unexpectedly next year. Some retirees choose to voluntarily withhold taxes from their Social Security payments to manage this. You can do this by filing IRS Form W-4V, which instructs the SSA to withhold a portion of your monthly benefit for federal taxes. Remember, this is just an option, not a requirement. Whether you should withhold taxes depends on your individual financial situation. If you're uncertain, consulting a trusted tax advisor can provide personalized guidance. Moving on, another aspect that often comes up is how the increase impacts other government programs or benefits you might receive. For example, some seniors receive supplemental security income, Medicaid, or food assistance programs that have income limits. It's natural to worry whether a higher Social Security payment could affect eligibility for these. The important thing to know is that most federal programs have their own income calculation methods, and Social Security benefits are sometimes counted differently depending on the program. While an increase in benefits could impact your total income, many programs factor in deductions or exclusions that can soften that impact. The SSA does not adjust your eligibility for these programs automatically when your benefits increase. If you're enrolled in other assistance programs, it's wise to check with the program administrators to understand how changes in your Social Security benefits might affect your eligibility or benefit amount. This is another reason keeping all your financial information organized is so helpful. It allows you to anticipate changes and plan accordingly. As we wrap up, it's important to remember that this permanent increase in your Social Security benefits reflects a broader commitment to helping seniors maintain financial stability in the face of rising costs. The cost of living adjustment, COLA, is designed to ensure your benefits keep pace with inflation, helping your dollars go further when you buy groceries, pay for medications, cover utilities, or handle everyday expenses. While the increase may seem modest, it's a meaningful boost that honors your years of hard work and contributions to the system. It's also a reminder that Social Security remains one of the most reliable sources of income for millions of Americans during retirement or disability. Understanding this helps you plan better and make informed decisions about your financial future. Keep in mind, benefits and policies can evolve, so staying informed is crucial. Bookmark the official SSA website, use your My Social Security account regularly, and don't hesitate to reach out to SSA representatives if anything seems unclear or if you need assistance. Before you go, I want to thank you once again for watching and being proactive about your benefits. Your time is valuable, and investing a few minutes now to understand these updates can save you stress and uncertainty down the road. If this video helped clarify your new Social Security amount and what it means for you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe for more trusted Social Security news and helpful tips tailored specifically for retirees and seniors. Your financial security matters, and staying informed is one of the best ways to protect it. So keep asking questions, stay engaged, and let's navigate these important changes together. Thanks for being part of this community. Take care, stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next update.